Right now we're gonna lower the truck. We're gonna lower it. Let's see how it looks. So before this video starts, you gotta make sure you go on the link in the description. So shout out to KSP Performance for these lowering shackles. So make sure y'all go check them out on Amazon, and I'll see you guys and enjoy the video. All right, ya acabamos. We're done with the truck. We put the shackles on, everything. We cut the muffler too. So let me just show y'all real quick. That's the finishing right there. You guys seen my previous video? Y'all know how it looks. Dropped it, you know I slammed that bitch. So let me show you right here. Well, the muffler is right here. Here's the muffler. There it is, right there. We straight piped it basically. So let me show y'all how it sounds real quick. That's the finishing right there. So that's what I like about it. You know, we straight piped that bitch. We put the tip back on and everything. So we's all good now. So yeah, we lowered it. I mean, the next thing we're probably gonna do, we're probably gonna paint this right here. This, the handles, everything, the bumpers. You know what I mean? We're gonna paint. We're gonna paint everything. Everything, absolutely everything. Even this, that. We're gonna paint it the same color. Fucking airplane. So y'all, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, because you already know we post shit like this every single, what was it? Once a week. That's about there, you know, that's about. But make sure y'all like and subscribe. You already know the vibes. So my next video is probably gonna be on that. If it's not, I don't know what is, but my next video has got to be something similar to. So I hope y'all like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. I came out of work right now, and then okay, so we put the shackles yesterday, right? And it's still lifted. What? Look at this. You kidding me? We put the shackles on and everything. Look, the shackles are right there. Seriously, right there. I don't know what the this is, but I put the fucking shackles on. You see this side is low. See? See how it's low over there? I don't get it. So yesterday we put the shackles on, and I guess since it was dark, we couldn't see the other side of it. So that's a big fail. I don't know. I think I have to loosen the screws up for it to work, because look at the sides. Our only option is we're probably gonna have to lower it, but loosen up the screws. It's just 70 bucks. 70 bucks is 70 bucks. Okay, I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but for lowering shackles that don't work, I might have to probably loosen up the screws. So, because I mean, this side looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. But as I said, probably loosen up the screws. But I just noticed that this morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll probably keep you guys notice on my TikTok. Go on my Snapchat in the description, and my Instagram too. Everything is right there. I'll keep you on notice right there. If you want to DM me on my Snapchat, go for it. And then yeah, thank you guys for watching for this video. It was a big fail, but still I think it was pretty worth it. We just gonna have to go to the shop and check out how much it was. But thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.